Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials, update your Pixel, keep battery above 20%, and connect to Wi-Fi. Once done, open Settings and tap Network and Internet. Make sure airplane mode is off so cellular radios are available. Tap Carrier, Add Carrier, and choose Don't have a SIM or Add eSIM. You'll be prompted to scan a QR or enter SMDP plus details. Do that now. Scanning is faster, but manual entry works if the code is supplied by your carrier. You will see a prompt to install the eSIM profile after scanning or entering details. Tap Install, then allow the profile to download. This can take a minute or two, so keep the phone awake and on Wi-Fi. Once downloaded, you're asked to confirm activation. Choose the correct label so you can tell plans apart. Make sure to set which line is default for mobile data and which handles calls or texts. If you plan dual SIM use, select Preferences now for seamless switching. After installation, you must activate the plan. Some carriers activate automatically, others require you to confirm in their app or website. You'll see signal bars when activation completes. If not, reboot the Pixel and recheck Settings Network and Internet Mobile Network. Once connected, test calls, SMS, and data. If problems persist, reset network settings or remove and re-add the eSIM profile using the original QR or SMDP plus info. Contact carrier support as a last step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.